Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, see this waterfall. It's small but it's a beautiful place and location. So I am collecting in this net many of colorful toys and collecting this is beautiful in bucket. So let's start this guys. So I am waiting for many of color of toys in waterfall. So waiting. Whoa, guys. What is that, guys? Oh my god. It's a big of toys. So I am get a beautiful toys. So I am taking out of this net of these toys. Okay, I am collecting this one. Okay. Finally I am collecting this one, and see this guys. Wow, it's a very nice and beautiful guys. It's paste, it's pink, and it's purple and white and red combination. It's very colorful and beautiful toys. So I am collecting this one also guys. So I am waiting for new toys. So I am waiting for many of toys. So I am waiting. So waiting. Whoa, guys. What is that, guys? See, guys. Wow. Yes, I got it, guys. So, I am introducing that. What is that? So, let's introduce this. Okay, guys. See this. It's look, guys. It's the guitar. It's white and orange and yellow and green color combination. Wow. Hear this sound guys. It's very nice and funny toy. So I am collecting this one in my bucket. So I am waiting for many of toys. So I am waiting. I am waiting. Whoa, guys, 1, 2. Oh my god, that's 2 toys guys. See this, it's green and it's orange color. Wow. So I am taking out of net. Okay. Taking out. Oh, wow. See this guys. It's look. This is a police bus guys. It's green, it's black, it's red color combination. So I am collecting in my beautiful bucket. So next one guys, see. Okay, I am taking out from the knee. So I am breaking. Wow, see this guys. Look, it's red color mixer truck. It's a under construction truck actually. So this is very different and very different color combination. And see this wheel guys, it's black and red color combination. So I am collecting this one under construction truck, and I'm finished my video with these toys. And see these toys are I am collecting this. So finished this video for today. See you soon with many of colorful toys. So thank you.